Halloween, definitely a time for crafts and to be creative. So in this video I've put together some simple Halloween crafts. Why not get the kids involved and enjoy with the family? A good place to start with all my crafts is always air dry clay. Roll out your clay, take a scalpel, and you can cut absolutely any design and shape you wish. Have a look on the internet and find some inspiration. Make yourself a template and you can cut around this. But I'm just using my knife and cutting out a little ghost shape to show you how easy this can be. Air dry clay is a really forgiving craft medium, and so if you've made a little mistake or you don't quite like the way part of it is, just smush a bit of it back together, use your fingers and blend it in. We can add a little bit of water to our fingers and smooth out the shapes till you're happy with them. Taking the end of a paintbrush, I add in 2 little eyes, and you can add any other details you wish. You could cut out a pumpkin shape or any letters or anything of your choice. If you don't fancy smoothing the clay out completely, then let's add some texture. You can take a brush and stipple all over the clay, and this eliminates the need to really smooth it out. So I love this technique, giving it some really rustic texture. I'd like these to be some little hanging decorations, so I take a paper clip, cut it in half and insert this into the top as our little hanger. If you bend the paper clip like this a little bit unevenly at the bottom and then insert it in, it will no longer come back out again and it will stay permanently where it is. Just close up the gap, smoothing it together like this. Let them fully dry, then you can paint with acrylic paint if you wish, and hang them up and decorate your home with a whole array of all different Halloween designs out of this air dry clay. If you also varnish this air dry clay, you'll be able to bring these out year after year. What would you make? Please do comment below. Resin crafts is another really good one for Halloween. Here I have this new pumpkin silicone mould and I absolutely love it. It's going to be so cute. So I have my epoxy resin that I need to mix together in 2 equal parts, stir it completely, and then we can add some colour and add it to our silicone mould. As I want more than one colour within this mould, I'm going to pour it between these different cups. The bubbles in here will release over time, and I'll put a link to all these things in the description below. We can colour the resin in different ways using acrylic paints, dyes, and lots of different sprinkles. So I'm going to use a combination of these in this pumpkin mould. The resin dyes keep it lovely and transparent, and acrylic paint makes it more matte, but don't add quite that much acrylic paint. That was a bit too much of a squeeze there. Add any sprinkles and mix all the different ingredients as well. You can also add sprinkles and glitter directly to the silicone moulds as well, like this. Then with these silicone moulds, it really is as simple as just pour everything in. Pour it in one colour, or you can pour multiple colours and see what the results might be. Experiment and add the dyes like this as well. I love adding white resin dye like this. Then all you have to do is leave it to cure for 24 hours. All those bubbles will release to the top. And now we are ready to demould. Fairly nice. You can see I definitely added too much acrylic paint there, but I do like how it's turned out and I'm going to make a few more. What a fantastic silicone mould. These are great little Halloween trinket tubs. Or better still, add in one of these battery-operated tea lights and use them to decorate your home this Halloween. I'm also going to transform this pumpkin into something else, so watch this space. This is an absolutely adorable hand-sewn Halloween bat. You can make one too with this free template, and I'll link below where you can find this. There's also a full instructional video on how to hand sew this cute bat. Maybe you're thinking that one looks a little bit complicated for your sewing skills, then why not try this cute pumpkin? It's a lot easier to do, and there's also a full instructional video on how to make this. Please click on the links below. So please do enjoy some creative projects this Halloween. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.